Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Bitcoin Update. It's 13th of November, it's Sunday, and we are looking at Bitcoin again, trading at nearly 16,867. But this stupid coin is not even at, looking to drop down. But at the moment, on the 4-hour time frame, at the moment, all we did is actually come down like this and move sideways, and we're creating a pennant, a little bit of a pennant. If we break out of that pennant, it's pretty obvious and evident that we're looking to drop to the downside. And the 4-hour time frame, you have to keep an eye on this one, and when you keep an eye on this one, you have to be careful of which direction you're going to actually break out of. So you can look at the apex coming in at 13th of November at 5 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock right now, so basically from the time that I'm recording this video, we do have like 7 hours left to actually make a decision, maybe some 2 more 4-hour candlestick, because I'm looking at the 4-hour chart pattern right now, and all we wanted to see is a push to the upside or a push to the downside. And the likely scenario is that we're going to look at a push to the downside. I was looking at something else, and that is going to be on the Google as well. I want to see what wrapped Bitcoin price is going to be at the moment, because I saw wrapped Bitcoin actually going on all the way to nearly $6,000. Is that a hint that we get from the coin itself? Because yesterday I did actually say something. By the way, it's not going to be here, but it's going to be on my Discord. So I'm going to go into the Discord, open up the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, actually the invitation for the Discord is paused because of scammers. So yeah, the Discord is not really active. Only the old members who are there are there. And you can see this is what happened to the wrapped Bitcoin, $6,881. Could that potentially be the bottom for Bitcoin, by the way? Because who knows, 8,000 is there, so it wouldn't make any big surprise to me if you actually ever make it all the way down to $8,000. So there's nothing fancy. We're still looking the very same right now. It's such a huge sell-off, so next week we could potentially be looking to go even way more further lower and lose 15,000. Now keep in mind that 14,000 is on the cards, and potentially 12,000 as well is going to be on the cards. And that's pretty much it. This is a very quick video update on Bitcoin. That's it. Gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.